Every ear is unique. Different shapes, different colors, different sizes. At Widex, our goal is to provide the best quality sound in a small ITE to more people than ever before. That's why we've created the new Widex Unique ITE. We've redesigned every component, reducing the size of the receiver and trimming fractions of a millimeter from the corners of the coil, reimagining the design of the amplifier, and introducing a new flexible circuit board, even turning the battery by a few degrees. Tiny details that make the engine 40% smaller, while still allowing for the option of controls, which means the high-quality, unique sound can now fit many more ears. Because even if every ear is different, each one deserves to be unique.